Right, guys, let's get straight into our contractions practice. I am going to say 2 words and you need to tell me the contraction that those 2 words make. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Should and not.
Shouldn't.
Could and not.
Couldn't.
Would and not.
Wouldn't.
Does and not.
Doesn't.
Did and not.
Didn't.
Were and not.
Weren't.
We and are.
We're.
He and is.
He's.
She and is.
She's.
It and is.
It's.
You and are.
You're.
Okay, last few. Could and have.
Could've.
Should and have.
Should've.
Would and have.
Would've.
Last one. We and have.
We've.
Amazing work today, guys. You smashed it. We will look at some more contractions in the next class.